March 29, 2026, Sunday, pakarera ng Philippine Jockey Club Inc. Sa San Felipe, Padre Garcia, Batangas, at alas 2:00 ng hapon, ang post time, sa race number 1, at matutunghayan po natin, sa race number 2, ang main highlights, ng karera ngayong linggo, ang 2026 Philrecom, PCSO, 3-year-old, maiden stakes race, at mapapanood natin, yung dalawang sets ng trial race ng mga kalahok na kasali, kaya simulan na po natin.
Dito sa panimulaan ng first winner take all, pamprimera ko rito, numero 3 na Bisyo Magserbisyo, panigundo ko naman dito, numero 2 na Fearless, panama sa pagpipilian, konkurso natin yun, numero 4 yung G's Favorite, kaya na pong bala para sa mga diskarte nyo sa race na to. Okay po, thank you. Race number 2, panimula rito ng first set ng Pick 5, ang 2026 Philrecom PCSO 3-year-old maiden stakes race 3. Mapapanood po natin yung dalawang karera videos ng Philippine Jockey Club sa dalawang trial races na naganap last March 14 na mga kalahok dito. Isang magandang laban to para sa lahat ng kalahok sa race na to at malamang lumabas ngayon ang mga totoong kalibre ng bawat kalahok sa race na to. Kaya batay dun sa naging trial run nila sa parehong distansya, pamprimera ko rito, numero 11 Siling Labuyo, panigundo ko naman dito, couple entry, numero 1, De Banderang Final Gambit, at 1A nakakampi nito na Mamartida na Bermuda Triangle. At yung tatlong kalahok dito na pwede nyo panama sa pagpipilian, baka may bote rin to, may tuli na numero 2 na Hermes Way, derimating kalahok, pwedeng umabang agad, numero 6 na Pleasure Effect, at itong numero 13 Calatrava. At kayo na pong bahala, kung may pa naman kayo kinukursunadang kalahok sa race na to, kampiya na. Panoorin po natin yung naging takbo nila sa trial run ng mga kalahok dito.
Gates open, they're off and racing. Good start for all contenders. It's Vagabond Blues is the leader, followed by Siling Labuyo. Moving up that orient, Saris Dukin Gull. In between runners is Red Velocity, 2 lengths back in 5th position is entry number 4, Pleasure Effect, racing on the outside, Super Chief. Then followed in by entry number 2, Malibu Mo Gray, and trailing the group is Mole Main Road. It's now Looking Cool has taken the lead over Red Velocity. Drops back in third is Vagabond Blues. In between horses, moving up now is Siling Labuyo, now takes the third spot. That on the inside now is a Pleasure Effect joining them in the contention. Moving up is Super Chief, then a long way back to Malibu Mo Gray and Mole Main Road. Or that's number 2 horse Malibu Mo Gray is at the tail of the field as they race the last 400. Looking Cool, it's now Looking Cool being hassled now by Siling Labuyo, and so was Red Velocity joining them now on the outside. Moving up is Looking Cool, now trying to come back on the outside. Malibu Mo Gray on the farther outside, 100 meters left to go. It's now Siling Labuyo by 2 lengths now and trying to come back Red Velocity, and coming from up the pace, moving up is Malibu Mo Gray, and at the line it's now Mole Main Road. Mole Main Road wins this stakes trial race over number 6 horse Siling Labuyo, Red Velocity. Off and racing. We've got Hermes Way looking for the lead. Moving up in the middle now is Final Gambit. Running in third is Casbell, followed over by Calatrava. Next in line is Jazz Super. Another gap by Dixie Network. Here comes Blue. That is Bermuda Triangle. And at the back stretch, It's now final gambit. The leader by about a length and a half over Hermes Way. A length and a half back in 30s Casbell. Followed over by Calatrava. Next to come along is Jazz Super. Moving up now is Bermuda Triangle. And Dixie Network is last of all. And nearing the fourth turn, final gambit by 2 lengths now over Hermes Way. Still in second. And a length back in third still is Casbell. And still in fourth is Calatrava. Here comes Bermuda Triangle. Jazz Super is down in second last, and third in the group is still Dixie Network. 400 meters left to go. It's final gambit by half a length, being hassled now by Hermes Way on the outside, and a little bit closer now in third position is Casbell. Here comes Calatrava together with Bermuda Triangle coming from behind, and so was Jazz Super down on the inside, but final gambit keep on running strongly, moving up and winding up very quickly on the outside now is Bermuda Triangle, and at the line it's a close finish between Bermuda Triangle and Final Gambit. Jazz Super was third, and comes Hermes Way, Calatrava, followed by Dixie Network, last to check in Casbell.
At dito naman sa race number 3, ang panimulaan ng second set na winner take all. Pamprimera ko rito, itong numero 6 na Anyo 96. Panigundo ka naman dito, nagbabalik takbo. Sana lang nasa magandang kondisyon ngayon. Numero 1 M Butterfly. At panersera ko, numero 2 na Space Jam. Kaya na pong bala para sa mga diskarte nyo sa race na to. Okay po, thank you. At nasa race number 4 na tayo. Panimula naman dito na unang puntusan ng pick 6. Ang pamprimera ko rito, lamang malamang, numero 4 ang Batang Kankalu. Panigundo ka naman dito, baka manilat lang, numero 3 na Instant Notice. Kaya na pong bala kung may iba pa naman kayo kinukursunadang kalahok sa race na to. Okay po, thank you. At nasa race number 5 na tayo. Panimula naman dito na unang puntusan ng second set ng pick 5. Ang pamprimera ko rito, palagay ko, lamang malamang, numero 4 Justifiably So. Panigundo ko naman dito, isa sa may tuling kalok sa race na to. Kapag nakabandera, baka lang makanakaw ng karera, numero 6 na ECJ. Kaya muli, pamprimera ko rito, numero 4 ang Justifiably So. Panigundo ko naman to numero 6 na ECJ. Kaya na pong bahala, kung may iba pa rin naman kayong kinukursunadang kalok sa race na to. Okay po, thank you. At dito na tayo sa race number 6. Panimula naman dito na unang puntusan ng pick 4. Dalawa lang din ang pili ko rito. Pamprimera ko rito ngayon, numero 2 na Orient Express. Panigundo ko naman dito, numero 5 Captain Bob. At muli, kung may iba pa rin naman kayo kinukursunadang kalok sa race na to, kayo na pong bahala magsama para sa mga diskarte nyo. Okay po, thank you. At narito na tayo sa race number 7, na huling DD plus 1 event para sa araw ng linggo. Ang pamprimera ko rito, numero 4 Usir. Panigundo ka naman dito, baka manilat lang, J.A. Gusi ang rerenda, numero 5 Anytime, Anywhere. At kung may iba pa rin naman kayong kinukursunadang kalahok dito, kayo na pumuling bahala para sa mga diskarte nyo. Okay po, thank you. At narito na tayo sa penultimate race, race number 8, ang Philippine National Women's Month Celebration Race. Ang pamprimera ko rito, itong mainam yung huling naging panalo at preba sa parehong distansya, no huling takbo niya, pwede pa rin makaulit ngayon, numero 2 na Shanghai Silk. Na kung hindi lang magbabago ang takbo ngayon, pwede pa rin makaraos ng panalo sa grupo na to. Pero kung kursunada yung magsama ng pamproteksyon dito, panigundo ko naman itong numero 1 Amaranth, panama sa pagpipilian, numero 6 na Ladybug Red. Kaya na pong bala para sa mga kinukursunada yung kalahok sa race na to. Okay po, thank you. At nasa huling karera na tayo para sa araw ng linggo, race number 9, last race paratingan. Ang unang pili ko naman dito, numero 7, Marengo. Panigundo ko naman to numero 4, Heroes of Caloocan. At panersera ko numero 6 na Clairvoyant. Panama sa pagpipilian. Dehado to, numero 2 na Street Queen. Kaya na pong bahala kung may ba pa naman kayong kinukusunadang kalok sa race na to. At sana'y muling matapat sa tama yung mga pili at kursonada para sa araw ng linggo dito sa Philippine Jockey Club. Good luck po sa inyo lahat. Happy racing at maraming salamat po.
Subscribe, like and share, Pinoy Carrera Sports at iba pa. And please don't forget to click or tap the notifications bell icon for new video uploads and updates on this channel. Thank you.